Is it me, or does Amazon seem to be taking over everything? Not only are they building new headquarter facilities, but they've also tapped into live streaming. We're going to talk about it in this video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Monte Weaver, and if you're brand new here, I help you navigate through digital, tech, and social media. And today I want to introduce you to Amazon Live. Yes, you heard that right. Amazon has their own live streaming platform, and if you're a content creator, I highly encourage you to check it out. Now, before I get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a huge favor and click on that red button, and make sure you click the notification bell as well. That way you'll receive an alert every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, if you scroll down your TV guide list, chances are you'll come across at least one, if not two, places that you can stop and watch and make purchases from products that you're seeing on the screen. QVC and HSN here in the United States are two of the biggest players when it comes to this. But now Amazon has tapped in as well. And if you're a live stream content creator, this is a place that you really want to consider. This is a place where you can really have your own version of QVC or HSN, and you can start to generate sales and earn revenue. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon Live, don't get discouraged. I didn't start my first Amazon Live until July 2020, and there were already people doing it on the platform longer than I had. Matter of fact, I talked to another content creator, and he's been doing it a year ahead of when I jumped into it. He was already familiar with the platform. So Amazon has been slowly rolling this out, and it's a great opportunity for content creators and live streamers to tap into another social media platform, because you have the ability to chat with your audience in real time, and it's a platform that you're probably already going to be comfortable with if you live stream already. All you're doing now is going to another platform, and to be early on a social media platform or a live streaming platform, you really have an opportunity to grow your influence, to grow your brand, and to grow your following. And to do it on a platform that's already hosting celebrities like Oprah, I think you're going to be in the right place. Now, I want to give you some insight into how Amazon Live works and how you can actually benefit from it. Think about this for a second. How many times have you talked about a product that you've owned? Maybe it's a book, maybe it's a piece of tech gear, and someone's asked you for a recommendation, and you've recommended that very product that you own. Well, that's essentially what you're doing on Amazon. You can actually live stream and have a list of products below your video that you promote, things that you want to talk about. For example, I have a lot of computer gear. I have cameras and lighting and monitors. I could talk about every single one of those in my Amazon Live. And every time someone makes a purchase, I get a commission. Now that's awesome. But what if you have things that you like and don't necessarily own? Can you talk about those as well? Of course. If you know enough information about a specific product, you can definitely include that into your carousel of items below your video. And if people check out and make that purchase, then you get a commission as well. You literally could go on Amazon Live as often as you want, talking about products and services. You could literally go on Amazon Live every single day and talk about different products. So what does it take to really get started on Amazon Live? You really just need your Amazon Associates account. So you want to make sure that you're signed up with the Amazon program. That way you can apply for the influencer program. Now, the application process is fairly simple, but you do need to have a following on some type of social platform: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Amazon wants you to have a following of at least 500 people is the recommendation, but more is always better. So once you get approved for the influencer program, you'll be able to simply download the Amazon Creator app and then start live streaming. You don't need a whole bunch of fancy equipment. You literally can live stream to Amazon from your smartphone. But if you want to take it up to the next level, I'm going to link to a video that's going to show you how to create custom live stream broadcasts, because those really help you get noticed. They help you grow your audience faster, and brands and sponsors will definitely take note. Now, if you're really interested in getting started with Amazon, I'm going to encourage you to look in the description section of this video. There's going to be a link where you can join a community of other Amazon live creators and influencers. It's a place where we can all grow together and you can get the support that you need, because as you're on the cusp of something huge that Amazon is creating, you definitely want to get the support that you need to really help you grow, and you don't want to wait until everybody else finds out about it. So jump in early and jump in quick. Now, if you got some value from this video, let me know in the comments section below. What types of products would you like to talk about on Amazon? Now, definitely make sure that you check out the other videos here on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.